All right, let's get this HTO chart going. Okay, so already we see number one, they got it side by side. They trying to trick us, right? But then number two, they got that just right. Like they got that from top to bottom, and that's exactly how we need it to solve this problem. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and get our H2 chart or HTO chart. That's the first thing we're going to do. H T O. And we know that O stands for ones, T stands for tens, H stands for hundreds. Very, very easy. We can easily remember that. So now let's do the first one, 567 minus 214. So to help us out, we can easily just write that ourselves from top to bottom. So we know that the number is 567, and we know the other number is 214. So, and we also know that we are subtracting. Always pay attention to that symbol because it might not be telling you to add. It might be telling you to subtract. Or sometimes it might not be telling you to subtract. It might be telling you to add. So always pay attention. And so it wants us to do 7 minus 4, 6 minus 1, and 5 minus 2 to get our answer. First things first, let's put it on our HTO chart so we can get a better understanding of what is happening. Starting with our ones, it says 7 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then it says for our tens, we need 6. We need 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then for our hundreds, it says we need 5 hundreds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we need to start taking some stuff away. Let's see what it's asking us to take away, right? So for our ones, it's asking us to take away how many? 4. 1. Let's do a different color so we can get a better view of what's happening, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. We've taken away 4. Okay. Now what? And we can just take them right on out of here too. You can, because yours is blocks, so you're gonna be taking that right on out, right? Right. All right. Now our tens tells us to take away 1. So take away 1. And in your case, you're using your tens block, so you need to just be able to just move that right on out the way, right? And then for hundreds, we're taking away 2 hundreds. So take away 1 and take away 2. So if we want to just get rid of those, get rid of your 100 blocks. Simple. And so now all we have to do is count what's left. Very, very easy, right? How many ones are left? 3. How many tens are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many hundreds are left? 1, 2, 3. It's easy. So we know 7 minus 4 is 3, 6 minus 1 is 5, and 5 minus 2 is 3. So we know altogether that 567 minus 214 is 353. Very, very easy. So now we're just going to write our answer. wherever they asked us the question. Simple. Now let's get rid of all of this. Let's clean off our H2O chart and do number 2. So it says 785 minus 131. So all we got to do is start putting everything on our HTO chart just like we just did. So how many ones? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many tens? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple. And then it says 7 100s. So that's what we're going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 700s. And now we're going to start taking away, starting in the ones column. Remember, we always start in the ones column. So, oops. Looks like I might have got rid of one of our hundreds here. Let me put it back. All right. So, we're supposed to have 700s, and we do now. All right, let's take away. So, starting in our ones, it's asking us to take away how many? 1. All right. Now for tens, it's asking us to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. And for our hundreds, it's only asking us to take away 1. That's easy, right? Take away 1. And so all we have to do is count what's left. How many ones are left? 4. How many tens are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many hundreds are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very, very easy. So easy. Because we're not regrouping. We're not regrouping today. We're only just adding and subtracting the regular way. We are going to regroup tomorrow. So it's going to get harder and harder. But for now, let's just focus on the basics. And if you want to count it a different way, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 610, 620, 630, 640, 650, 651, 652, 653, 654. Either way, we're going to get the same answer, 654. Easy, easy, easy. All right. You guys did a wonderful job. Now, you're going to try it on your own.